Hi, this is Mike Palmer with Group 1 Trading, and this is the Investitude Volatility Sonar Report. It is Tuesday the 7th. That means tomorrow, being Wednesday, we have an expiration in the VIX weekly futures and options, and that would be the June 8th expiration there. That's actually generally a pretty quiet expiration. We're not expecting to see much. Maybe an election outcome tonight changes that, but insofar as what we see in the paper, more of the focus right now is on the June options, the regular June options. They expire on the 15th. That's next Wednesday. Now, considering we've had quite a big rally since that unemployment number on Friday, we are seeing the VIX come in quite a bit, and it's trading all the way down to the low 13 handle, which is really the lowest we've seen so far in 2016. Accordingly, right on the open today, we saw a big buyer of the June 13.5 puts. They paid 20 cents for about 8,000, and they were looking to buy more, but the future itself went lower, and they didn't get them at the same price of 20 cents. So that was interesting that people really want to buy puts on the VIX index that expires in 8 days. The other big trade we saw this morning, we saw a big buyer of the July 26 calls. They paid 42.5 cents. They bought 25,000 of those. That is the typical trade we see at this time in the cycle. People buying protection out until July, and that is something that people like to do against a big portfolio. Very much a typical trade where people use VIX options to hedge a big portfolio, and they buy those upside calls, usually under $1, somewhere around 50 cents, and they buy a lot of them. Just saw that starting today. I wouldn't be surprised to see more of that in the week or two to come. But right now, it's just VIX weekly options and futures expiring tomorrow, and then a big settlement next Wednesday on the 15th for the regular June options and futures here in the VIX, and a lot of trading going on in that month right now. This is Mike Palmer with Group 1 Trading, and this is the Investitude Volatility Sonar Report.